ERP for Agriculture Cooperatives. Welcome. Testing purpose video on Asami module part 4. CD withdrawal, Asami account, overdraft account, interest calculation and posting. Navigate to the Asami module icon, click on it. Here you can see in the main workflow screen, click on CD withdrawal. In the CD withdrawal screen, enter the admission number. Select the product. Select the account number. Select the voucher type. Select the activity. Then select the voucher type. Now you can enter the amount that you want to withdraw. The CD account contains the amount which was generated during the Vikri process. Here we are entering the amount as 20,000. The limit amount shown here is 35,000, which is the maximum limit. You can also see the total amount in words along with the narration. Once you click on save, you click on yes. The withdrawal is completed and success message is generated. Voucher is also prepared successfully. Here you can print the voucher or you can click on OK once you have verified the transaction. Now once you post the voucher in FAS, the withdrawal amount is received and the remaining amount is reflects in the CD account. Go to FAS and view the transactions for today. You can see the voucher for CD withdrawal 20,000 rupees. Once we post the voucher, the amount gets deducted from the CD account for that particular member. As you can see, the voucher is posted successfully and the transaction is now completed. This can now be seen in the daybook. Go to FAS, then go to the reports, common accounting system, click on daybook report. Select the daybook and then click on view. Now you can see in the compulsory deposit account in the last row, you can see that cash of 20,000 has been deducted. Now we will move on to the Asami account. Select the Asami account. Here enter the admission number. Click on view. Here you can see the previously done transactions that occurred in the Asami account for this particular admission number. Here you have the option to either deposit or withdraw from the Asami account or to the Asami. Now we are selecting withdrawal and we have selected the voucher type as cash. The withdrawal amount will be entered. Once we click on save, you get a pop-up to withdraw and click on yes. Withdrawal is successful. Once again, we go to FAS and post the voucher. Once we post the voucher, the transaction is successful and the amount gets deducted from the Asami account. In the Asami account view transaction details screen, you can enter the admission number and you can view the previously occurred transactions. Here you can see the transactions that have occurred previously. Now we'll move on to the interest posting screen. In this, first we'll start with the calculate interest. The calculate interest screen, select the product. Once you select the product, you can also check the dates. The remaining fields are non-editable in this screen. You also have the option to apply rounding on this screen. You will get a pop-up which says interest calculation process is initialized. Click on OK. Once the interest calculation is completed, we now move on to the post interest screen. In the post interest screen, we select the product. Click on view accounts for interest not generated and you can see all the accounts. Once the interest posting is completed, the interest part is completed. In the next video, we'll talk about the bulk uploads that we have provided in the Asami module. Thank you.